Alright, this is Brentwood Pipeline Plumbing. I just got done installing a cured in place liner in this 4-inch concrete pipe, roughly about 20 feet to the PVC. Go ahead and enter into the newly lined pipe here. You're going to see a few bulges. We had to cover up an 1.5-inch tie-in. And there's definitely some imperfections in the concrete pipe that you'll see, such as that. A nice little crease there over that joint. And then landed right into the PVC. And then drops down to the city. And there's the main. And that completes our push-out inspection.